Right? Let's break down this Amazon prefab home listing piece by piece, especially for beginners. First up, the seller. This listing comes from a company based in China. You can tell from the WhatsApp number with the +86 country code. That matters because the home is not US made, it's being shipped internationally. That can affect quality standards, shipping times, and customer service. Next, let's look at what's included and what's not. The listing says each unit comes complete with all essential features, including doors, windows, kitchen cabinets, full bathrooms with toilets and showers, as well as necessary electrical and plumbing setups. On paper, that sounds turnkey. You're not just getting walls and a roof, you're getting a livable setup. But dig deeper, the kitchen cabinets are included, but no mention of stove, oven, or fridge. And same with the bathroom. It lists toilets and showers, but doesn't confirm sinks or mirrors. Translation, it's closer to a strong shell with utilities, but not 100% move-in ready. Appliances and some finishing details will be on you. So, can you live in it? The basics are there. A bathroom with toilet and shower, kitchen cabinets, plumbing, and electrical. The listing also says it's expandable with a double wing extension structure that creates more space. Pictures suggest a living room and 2 bedrooms. You'll still need to add essentials like a stove and fridge, but the fundamentals, bathroom, plumbing, electricity, are already handled. Beginners need to pay close attention to the difference between kitchen in a listing and an actual functioning cooking space. Customization is another big theme here. The listing says, our prefab tiny homes support all customization, so the price on the page is not the final price. That means the $9,156 listed is just a base. You can upgrade flooring, windows, doors, roof, and even the number of rooms. Want something specific? You'll pay more. They even provide a WhatsApp number for custom quotes. They also claim setup is super quick. Installed in 10 minutes for easy relocation. That's a bold claim, and while it might not literally be 10 minutes, it does mean this is designed for fast assembly. Now, the money side. The base price is $9,156. Amazon offers financing too, $362.36 per month for 48 months with a store card. Sounds affordable, but remember, that's for the base model only. Customizations raise the price. Always contact the seller directly for a real quote. Shipping is advertised as free, which is huge for something this big. They even list delivery ranges that make it sound like you could get it in days or weeks. But since it ships from China, there may be extra lead times or customs delays, even if Amazon calls it free. Delivery is technically covered, but time and logistics are factors to keep in mind. Site prep is not included. You'll need a foundation, utility hookups, and maybe septic or well systems, depending on your land. You'll also need electricians and plumbers for safe installation. They do mention an optional 3-year protection plan for $189.99, but that's basically a product warranty, not coverage for site work or bigger issues. Like, expect extra costs beyond what's advertised. Now, the most crucial part, zoning and permits. The listing says nothing, but this is on you. Every city, county, and state has its own rules. Many require permits for any unit over 120 square feet with plumbing, electricity, or heating. Some places even require permits for storage sheds. Don't buy first and discover later that you can't legally place it on your land. Always check with your local building department before committing. Durability and climate are where this listing shines. It says the home is built with galvanized steel frames, insulated panels, and waterproof coatings. It even gives ratings: fire protection level A, wind resistance up to level 11, earthquake resistance up to level 9. That's impressive and shows the manufacturer put thought into tough conditions. They say it's built for extreme heat, heavy rain, and snow.